Hello, this is Don Meditations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make magnesium oil. Magnesium oil. So I already put, I actually already boiled the water and put the magnesium oil in it. So it's already in here, but pretty much what you do is you put like about a half a cup of flakes in water, and you just boil it. You stir it up. Just stir it up. So I'll put a little bit in here. But I already put like enough. I'm just kind of demonstrating. And so you stir it until it dissolves. And it's already dissolving already because it's already hot. Yeah, see, and that's it. Alright. Turn it off. And then I'm going to pour put it in here. So I'm just going to pour it. Actually, I'm going to pour this first in a cup. Pour this in a cup first. Wait. I'll pour it in this cup first, a little bigger. Okay, so it's in this cup, and now I'm just going to pour it in this bottle. But you can put it in any kind of spray bottle. I'll just put it in here because I already have this this container right here. But you can use a spray bottle that you can get from any store, and just pour it in here like that. And that's it. And that's all you do. Really easy. So there you have it. That's it. There's a spray bottle. You put it in a spray bottle, put the cap on, and there you have it. Magnesium oil. And it lasts a long time. And the magnesium oil is really good. It's really good for muscle recovery. Yeah, let me spray it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good for muscle recovery. Magnesium oil. What the thing about magnesium oil that it penetrates the skin. It gets into your system a lot better because it penetrates the skin. Anything you put in your skin, it gets absorbed into your bloodstream like quickly. So putting magnesium oil on your skin, it gets into your system a lot faster than taking the magnesium capsules. Because capsules, when you take them, they got to go through the digestive tract, the stomach, the whole digestive process. So it takes a longer time for the magnesium to get into your system, and you might not get as much as you should when you take the tablets or the powder through, because they have to go through the digestive process. So doing it this way is getting in your system a lot faster. When you spray it on your body, it gets into your system a lot faster. So make your own. Get you your magnesium flakes. You can also put this in your bath, and soak in it. It's like Epsom salt, but this is like, it's something like Epsom salt, but this is more stronger, yeah. So yeah, this is it. That's all you do. Water and about a half a cup of magnesium flakes. Boil it for like a couple of minutes till it dissolves pretty much, and then pour it in any kind of spray bottle. And just spray it on your body. You just spray it all over your body, on your arms, your legs, your stomach, your chest. And the bottom of your feet is really good too, because it gets into your system a lot faster through your the bottom of your feet. Because your feet has like the biggest pores in your body, and so it gets into your system a lot faster through the bottom of your feet. So yeah, there you are. So hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like more content like this. Let me know if you want more content like this. Leave a comment below and let me know if you like content like this, and I will create more videos like this. So feel free to comment. Let me know what you think. What video, if this type of video is good, you know, that you like, and then I'll know that to make more content like this. All right, well, everybody, you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and peace, love, and positive vibrations.